Welcome to LT Outdoors, the channel with everything the outdoor world has to offer. Sun is coming up, vibe is going down. Fish are all a-biting and jumping all around. Let's hook up the boat, come on, let's go. It's time for LT Outdoors. I'm talking LT Outdoors. Might go hunting, fishing, metal detecting, might even do a little fortune too. I'm talking LT Outdoors. I hope you enjoy the show. Look at that. Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of LT Outdoors. This is actually going to be a two-parter, so this is part one. The other part I'm just going to, rather than do an intro, I'll just put part two in the beginning and an intro. But yeah, as you can see, you can probably see it landing on me. It is snowing right now. It is a cold day. But yeah, I've got permission on this big old farm now, and I'm pretty excited. There's a lot of good stuff to be found here. This is the second day I've hunted it, and I've already found some really neat things. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure you let me know what you think, and hit that subscribe button. See, I hate digging cans, but I'll tell you, when they got age to them like this, I don't mind it. I think they're kind of neat. It's like an old Milwaukee. Ultra Bright. I'm guessing that's a toothpaste. Well, thank you. Oh, what do we got here? This is a different thing. Not sure if it's a pulley or part of an old roller skate. Definitely an odd one there. Oh, jeez. Big old ring there. that a coin? Always get excited when you see something like that. Nope. Dang it. I think it's a tarp ring. I always like finding these old chain rings, probably from a horse-drawn thing. Cool. Ooh, what is that? Just another... Oh, I think this is looks like a plug, maybe. Or a drawer knob. It's nice looking. Pulley. Probably off an old lawnmower or something. Looks like it broke. Cool. I know what this is. Very nice. It's a spoon. I love finding old silverware. A lot of times too, a lot of the stuff I've dug is yeah, I don't want to scratch it. I'm not going to rub it off too much, but the old stuff is very ornate. I'd say this is silver plated, so that's a win-win. But yeah, this looks like a really cool spoon. It looks like it's got all kinds of stuff on it. Yeah, very neat. Well, that's cool. Big heavy hunk there. Old splitter for a water pipe, I think. Oh, cool. What is this? This is a good find. I think it's a pin. Wow. Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, it says police on it. Wow. No kidding. Junior police badge. So it's probably a kid's badge, but it's metal. It's old. Very nice. I'm gonna clean that up when I get home. That's cool. Oh, my first coin of the day. Where'd you go, buddy? I seen it. It was a coin. I think it fell back in the hole. There it is. What do we got? It's a dime. Just a regular dime. Boy, that's a bummer. So much history around here. It's a 1990 something dime. Oh, that's a coin. Just popped out of the dirt here. Oh, no, yeah, there it is. Ah, it's a regular penny. Gosh, I was so excited. Whenever you see that little bit of a coin mark in your dirt, especially on old ground, it gets exciting, but you can tell from the back it's just a regular penny. Alright guys, as you can see, today's haul, dug a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. And obviously I'm not going to show all the digs in the video, so you have to wait till the end until you see all this. Because nobody wants to watch me dig up stuff like this. Nobody wants to see that. Or bottle caps. So, too time consuming, but I will show some of the cool digs. This is the coolest, probably the most beautiful spoon that I have ever dug. I've dug a lot of really ornate old-fashioned spoons, but this one is just gorgeous. A lot of cool flowers and stuff on it, just a pretty spoon. Silver plated. I was hoping it was going to be sterling, but good enough. This is really awesome. Junior police badge. Yeah, that's a first for me. Very cool. Found out it's from the 1940s too. Sweet. And then a couple clad newer age coins. This thing, I don't know what it is. I thought it was a button of some kind. I really don't know. It looks cool. And it's got springs under the backside. No idea on that. A lot of weird things though, because I also don't know what this is. I'm always digging up weird things like this. It's like a spigot. Yep. This thing's heavy. McDonald Manufacturing Co. Yep, but that's it. Lots of randoms. I don't know. I think this is a lid for like an old, I don't know, a kettle or a pot. I don't know. Neat though. I like digging weird stuff. Yeah, this is another oddball. Yeah, just some lots of different stuff. Old Milwaukee can. I don't mind digging them when they're super old like that, but you know, like this newer age old brush, I don't want to dig that. Ultra Bright toothpaste, I still gotta look that up. I don't know how old that is. There you go, my finds. The Outdoors is brought to you by Widowmaker Lures, quality tungsten jigs. Northland Fishing Tackle, check them out online for a huge selection of lures. Wellman's Bait and Tackle in Oscoda, Michigan. Heavy Metal Custom Lures, a great selection of plastics and more. Martese Lures, quality paint jobs that the fish desire. Cowboy Coffee Chew, a cup in a pinch. Crooked Bend, quality food plot mixes. Drake Clothing Company, quality outdoor clothing. And Shelly Shirt Shack, where all the LT Outdoors merchandise is made.
Send him to Davy Jones' locker.